What's good, guys? I wanted to do a quick overview of the Rick Owen Geo baskets. In this overview, I'm just going to go over the details, the pricing, as well as sizing. As far as the box goes, just a very simplistic display from Rick. On the side of the box, you have your Geo basket. Mine are a 42.5. And if you were to get them from a specific boutique, then you'll be tagged SL right here. Slide the top off. You're presented with a Rick Owens tote. It's a nice bag, soft to the touch, as well as a little card booklet. It really just details how to take care of your item and the process in which it was made. Here are the geos themselves. Now, my geo baskets in particular are not so perfect anymore. I say for the amount of time that I've had them, I've kept them in good condition and still in well enough condition to show you guys. And when it comes to Rick anyways, they're easy to scuff. But I got, of course, the black and white, aka the milk colorway. So on the shoes, as far as detail goes, they have a nice paneling on the left inner that Rick is famous for, of course, the little upside down swoosh, as well as a zipper. The zippers used to be a specific brand of zipper. I forgot what the brand of zipper is called, but this is just Rick's zipper now that they use on shoes. And when you zip it down, you will see the sizing, the serial number, and it's made in Italy. Within the leather slab, within this leather tab that is sewn within the zipper. And then all around you have a nice stitching that comes to a half stitch on the sides, as well as the other side. You have the same swoosh. And that's, of course, to complement the other side. And the laces, and which are the biggest component of these shoes and which make its overall silhouette as unique as it is, with the jumbo lace. Just has a 5 eyelid section, followed with nice stitching, double stitching around the eyelid, constructing this border as well, and another double stitched layer at the toe box. And this is all of genuine leather as well. On the inside, you can see Rick and his patch. What's nice about these as well is that you're able to take out the insole if necessary, but this is what the insole looks like. Inside you have embodied Rick Owens and the cushioning and the inside. Honestly, for a Rick shoe, these are very comfortable. I could actually wear these, but I have not worn these in a long time. But these, of course, to finish off the bottom, you have the shark tooth paneling and a Rick Owens embossed right in this section. Yeah, and really the last aspect of this is of course this little tab that acts as another texture. But overall, the shoe is beautiful. People love it for, of course, people love it for their own reasons. I personally picked this up to further complement specific silhouettes I was going for at the time of purchase, because my styling was intended to be, of course, in a specific manner when I picked these up, and I felt as though these would make something a little louder. But back here, just to further show some little details, you have a nice padded paddling, a 4 section, followed by another double stitched layer that intervenes with these two swooshes on the sides, as well as the indent within the back that really all Rick shoes have. Just a middle stitching ground that further attaches it to the outer sole. And again, when it comes to these shoes, guys, these do definitely scuff easily. So, I mean, unless you really care to take care of them and always keep them in their cream look, of course, that is entirely up to you as the user. Personally, I don't care. I do like my Rick beat, I guess, and not fully taken care of, as you guys can see. But other than that, guys, that's really all that there is to this shoe. It's a very beautiful shoe. Again, it's all leather. It smells like pure leather, just as it should. And I would say it's a great shoe to have in your rotation. As far as retail goes for these, they do value at the price of $1,400. I did not purchase these at retail value. I purchased these through a sale. And again, as far as the sizing goes, I am a true to size 10 in Nikes for the most part. But in these I went, of course, 9.5 in, 42.5. And there's a lot of idiots that think that Rick doesn't go half sizes, but he does. So definitely don't be deceived by people that don't know what they're talking about. I haven't even owned Rick. I definitely would say get them on a sale and go a half a size down when it comes to these specific shoes. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate you for your time, and I hope this video was also of some good info for you. These are a great pair of shoes to pick up if you're in the market for something like this. Just to have a piece that adds a bit of loudness to your outfit. I think if styled correctly, they'll always look great. If this video did help you at all, I definitely appreciate you if you left a like, and definitely subscribe if you enjoyed the video or, again, got any information that you may have needed from this video. I definitely appreciate you if you did, and if not, it's all good. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for your time, and you guys take care of yourselves. God bless.